are doing well. So today I'm going to show you a very powerful and useful command line tool that can help you to set up quickly your TypeScript and Node.js environment if you are willing or if you want to work on a backend but you don't want to take time by setting up your project manually. You can use that tool that can help you to set up your project very quickly and automatic in a very simple and very short time. So the command line tool is called speee-setup-cli. To install the tool, you just need to run npm eg speee-setup-cli, but you need to make sure you have the latest version of Node.js. We are going to check the version of Node.js. As you can see, my version of Node.js is the latest. So I'm going to run that command. Okay, I will run npm install for E for install, G for global. You need to install it globally. npm install globally, speed setup cli. When you run this command, it will not take time because it's a very light project. Let me write the project speed setup-cli. Okay, once you run this command, it will not take time because it's a very light packages. It will not take your memory. It doesn't. It is not a very heavy package. So what you need to do is just to run this command. Once you install speed, you just need to run this command speed. When you run speed, it will show you this interface, and it say, hello developer, let's configure the backend of your amazing project. Some operation may require administrator right. Please ensure you are running this program with the necessary permission. So they ask me to give the project name. So here I will put this is the name of my project. I will put Pinky Chat. Okay, this is the name of my project, Pinky Chat. They ask me the source folder. This by default it is the src, but if you don't want to use src, you can use app or something else. I will let it like that because I want to use the src. I click on src, and this is the entry file. The entry file is the first file that is called when you run your program as a build project or for test. You run the first file. This first file is called the entry file. So by default it is server.ts. I'm going to call that index. Okay, so you can put index.ts or index, is the same thing. So now they ask me if I want to add some features like express, prettier. If you used to work with them, you can add them. They can make your project more powerful, more beautiful, and they can make your work more easy. So I'm going to install them. To install them, I just need to click on yes or not, or choose. If I want to choose what program I need in my project, if you just need Express, you can just choose Express. If you just need Prettier, you can just install Prettier. So I want to install all. Okay, I click on yes. They ask me if I want CommonJS or AS module. If you don't know what is CommonJS is when you want to import something in your project. You want to import a package in your project. You can import that using constant, the name of the packages equal to require the name of the main packages, or you can just run with ES module. You can run import the name of your packages from the main packages. So we are going to use ES module because it is easy to use, and we will just import a packages from the main packages. So I'm going to click on 2. If you want CommonJS, you can click on 1. So it's fully personalizable. You can just personalize it and choose the option that you want to see. So now Speed is installing my project. It's setting up my project. I will just wait for the packages to be installed, and once everything is done, Speed will tell me what to do after that. So now that TVN is installed, it's very fast. So now it's installing just for test. If you want to test if everything is working fine in your project, you also need just. The project name, the source file, the entry file, and so and some features that Speed has added to my project, like express.env, jest, slength, and prettier. So now Speed tells me that I need to run cd the project, the name of my project, like pinky chat, and npm run build to build the project, and npm start, and go to the local host to see the project. So I'm going to run cd pinky chat and npm run build, and now I will run npm start. So now the project is running on my local host. I will just take this link and go to my local host. Okay, it's returned hello world. So my project is already set up. I can see the project here. This is the project built automatically by Speed, because Speed have done all the dirty work for me. So I just need to start working on my project. As you can see, this is the file that returned hello world. So this is the express import using AS module, and everything is already set up. You can just use this command to install all the things that you can see over there, and you have a readme file that can help you to understand how to start working with your project, and you have the gist file that stored your build project. So if you want some information about Speed, you can go to our YouTube, and you can also advise or you can give give your comment about the project. This is the YouTube part that you can use to install Speed. You can see all the information about Speed and install it. You can also go to npm and see the project and all the information about the project, how to install the project by running sudo npm if you are using Linux distribution, or just run npm install g for globally speee-setup-cli. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will like this amazing command line tool, and we are waiting for your feedback about the command line tool, if you are meeting some problem or if you need some improvement. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.